Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be looking at the small toothpick survival kit. Very basic kit. It's one of those toothpick dispensers you have in your kitchen. You can easily seal this up and make it waterproof with some tape just up here and around here. It's nice and threaded. Pop it open. Right on top, we have some bank line for cordage. We also have some snare wire for cordage. Oh, ooh. Kind of like a slinky. I love this one. Then we have our little button compass for signaling. We have a little signal whistle. For cutting, we have half a razor blade with some duct tape so you can get a grip on it. We have 2 matches and a striker for fire starting, of course. We have 1 water activated towelette for either water filtration or hygiene. We have a single beef bouillon cube. We have a ferro cerium rod. And then we have our water collection bag. And that's what's in the kit. You have a little canister as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I know it's a small kit, but what else do you guys think you could do with it? Really want to hear. Have a nice day, and thank you guys for watching.